Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this SENTEY Extreme Division Series Wolf GS-6600 Full Tower Computer Case. These are the accessories included in the box. We have your product warranty, and this is your user manual. And here is a toolkit with other accessories. We have a cleaning cloth. They've included a screwdriver for you, which is pretty neat. And these are plastic standoffs, and we have an extra PCI bracket, a packet of motherboard standoffs, as well as drive mounting screws, and lastly, this motherboard speaker. This case is made of steel with some plastic, and we have some mesh grill at the front for ventilation. There are 4 5¼ drive bays. 2 of the covers are meant to be just popped off, and the 2 above that are designed to be kept on after you install your optical drive, because it's spring-loaded, and if you press this, it should press the eject button on your drive, and the cover should fold down when the drive comes out. And let me pop off the front bezel for you. Just like that. And to pop off these 2 covers, simply bend these 2 metal tabs here and it should come right off. Here is your pre-installed 140mm blue LED fan, and these metal covers you'll have to take off if you want to install your 5¼ drives. On this side, we have a pop-out mesh grill for ventilation with a dust filter inside that you will be able to remove after you take off these screws, but I'll talk about that when I talk about the interior. And finally, on the back, we have a pre-installed 120mm blue LED fan, a couple grommets for cable threading or threading through your water cooling tubes, a knockout for your input-output shield on your motherboard, 2, 4, 6, 7 expansion slots, and a couple ventilation holes here, and it uses a toolless design. Simply pop this open to unlock and secure your GPU. And just below that, we have a bottom power supply mount. At the top of the case, we have your power button in the shape of a hexagon, 2 USB 2.0 ports, your headphone and mic jacks, 2 USB 3.0 ports, a hard drive indicator, and reset button. And over here we have your 2 pre-installed 120mm blue LED fans. At the bottom, we have some raised feet for airflow, some rubber padding to reduce vibration, a couple ventilation holes for more airflow, and removable dust filters. Just pull on the tabs here and pop them right out. And we have another mount for a 120 or 140mm fan. I've already removed the thumb screws for the right side panel. It uses a latch design, so just push on this to remove the panel. Inside, we have a cutout for your aftermarket heatsink, a couple holes for threading your cables, and they've included some cable ties for you, which is nice, in case you have more cables to manage. And this is the business end of your drive mounts. And here is a Molex plug for your front fan. Here's a look at the interior of the case, but first, I mentioned that you can remove the dust filter from inside this area. You just have to remove these screws here and the entire assembly will come off. Inside is your 120mm rear fan with its Molex plug. And let me tilt this a little bit. Here are the 2 120mm LED top fans and their Molex plugs, here and here. And if we push on this arm here, you can see that you get 2 80mm blue LED fans, and here are their Molex plugs. Now let me spin this here so I can remove the arm, just like that. And here is your motherboard tray, and this case supports motherboards ATX and micro ATX, as well as extended ATX. And these are a bunch of your front panel connectors. Here are 2 USB 3.0 pass-throughs, And these are your audio connectors, USB 2.0 connector, and these are your power reset and LED connectors. And I like how they're all wrapped up together so it's easier to, so it's not flying everywhere. And on the right side, we have your 4 optical drives. It is a toolless design. Simply press on this latch here to unlock and lock. And here are your drive mounts for your 3.5-inch as well as 2.5-inch drive. Simply slide over here and it slides right out. And it's made of aluminum and plastic. And here are your mounting points for your 2.5-inch, and they even labeled it for you, which is nice. That wraps up our overview on this Sentey Extreme Division Series Wolf GS-6600 full tower computer case. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.